Hey Gaiaverse, it's your girl Gaia and I'm back with another video. Alright y'all, so today we are giving inspo from Poison Ivy, okay? I'm giving you Cyber Poison Ivy vibes. So are y'all ready? We're not even gonna spend too much time. We just about to get in this beat. I said we about to get in this beat. Alright? Are y'all ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Let's go. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter where I go, I know where I came from. Ooh, we all up in personal. We getting real personal, you know. I got all these flaws I wanna hide, but I'm not, because y'all, we letting go, okay? We letting go of all those insecurities. We letting go of all. Release your inhibitions. Feel the rain on your something. Not a been feeling for you. Only you can let it do the else. Way above again.
The words are still on return.
So first I'm about to start with my brows. We're getting real poison ivy vibes, y'all. We giving real poison vibes. And you know what? I feel like whenever I'm filming a video, I always move super duper slow. But y'all, I actually do my makeup really quickly. Of course I'm using my Morphe pencil. Got it out the muscle. Wanna fight and wanna tussle. Y'all see that brow? I like to draw my eyebrows on kind of thick, like basically like a thick tail, because they are thick, so that's just how they gonna look. Y'all, are y'all ready for this look? This look is gonna be everything. Like, I feel so excited about this look and we haven't even done it yet. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Mocha. And we're gonna just, you know, do what we do. Conceal.
Just conceal those brows, honey. Conceal them. Help them out.
Yes. Like, honestly, seriously. Get into that P. Louise base, baby. Well, I'm about to use my Box of Crayons palette. Love this palette. I'm gonna take the green shade and I'm going to basically just put that on top of everything, you know? Just going green. Now I'm taking that lime green shade and I'm working it into the crease. And I'm basically gonna go back and forth with these two colors and basically just make them look really pigmented. I'm gonna take my crayon case palette again and I'm gonna dip into the black and I'm gonna put it right in my crease like so. And we're gonna deepen the crease a little bit. Give it some depth. Like she needs. And take that brush that we use for the green, and we're gonna blend that. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab my P. Louise base, of course.
And I'm gonna cut the crease. Like, do I have permission to cut the crease? Yes! Do I have the permission? I just need to know, do I have permission to cut the crease?
Yes! If I have permission to cut the crease, I'm just gonna cut the crease, okay? Let's go. So now I'm taking my Magic palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking Buzzo, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Y'all, this green, I just need y'all to look at this green. This is a beautiful, rich green. Alright, now we're gonna take that black and we're gonna add it to this outer corner. Alright, so it is eyeliner time. I'm going to do a nice little wing. It's not gonna be little at all. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my foundation off camera. If you want to know how I do my foundation, I already have a video and I will put the link right here. Alright, so I'm going to take some black eyeliner and I'm going to line my eyes, well, my waterline. I'm going to take that green that I used from my Box of Crayons palette. And I'm gonna put that underneath. Y'all, my eyes are starting to water. Let's hope for the best. Hope for the best. Eyes are looking really good, y'all. I'm gonna put some brow gel on first. Alright, so now I'm gonna put some mascara. I'm using Marimi from my Warrior palette. It's by Juvia's Place. It's what I use very frequently.
Alright, I'm gonna set my face with my Bear With Me by NYX.
Alright, I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. I'm gonna take the Festival palette by Juvia's Place and a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take Mamamoo, which is like a real peachy color, and I'm basically going to blush just right here. So the goal is we're gonna do some faux freckles. I decided to make my faux freckles more on the black side. I want them to be dark. So now that those are done, I'm gonna take black eyeliner by Morphe and just start. I'm going to start doing my freckles. I'm gonna add a little bit more blush. I need a little bit more nose highlight, so I'm gonna add a little bit more because I want my nose to blind you. So for my lips, I'm going to be taking my Morphe lip pencil in Richie and lining my lips. Alright, so the red lip that I'm going to be using is actually a drugstore lip because I live for a drugstore find. I'm using my Ruby Kisses matte lipstick. This shade is called Kiss Red, and y'all about to see it's a really fire red. I will say that these lipsticks, they're not the best quality as far as like packaging, but the lipstick itself is really good. So alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm about to go put on my outfit and I will be right back. At this very moment, I realize, yikes, this red lipstick looks terrible. I gotta go. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if I killed it. So I had so much fun making this video. Like, my face is beat, period. I really loved it. On camera I showed you guys that I did a red lip, and I actually changed it off camera because I was like, the red lip, it was just not going with the look. You know, I have this cyber kind of top on because I'm supposed to be like Poison Ivy if Poison Ivy was a virus on your computer, you know, that type of vibe, you know. So I'm gonna just go ahead and say I nailed it. I'm gonna just go ahead and say I killed it, bodied it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you can know when I post, and become a part of the Gaiaverse because it's lit over here and we're awesome. So why not? So like I said, I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you guys in the next one.